Hi mga ka-team kapiskot! Na ako dito sa among kusina. So mag-unboxing ko karon sa gipalit ni My Love. Yes, gipalit ni My Love. Oh, Lunes ng gabi dito. So after work, nag-grocery siya. Ayan, may bread. Tapos may bagel. And ice cream. Ayan, kasi bumili ako ng ice cream, lagay ko dyan. Ayan, bumili siya ng bago ice cream. Ayan. Para tong ano tong tawag sa atin, basta tong lami ng ice cream, kanang chocolate. Magnum. Sana, Magnum. And then, napalit siya ni cream cheese, then butter. Dito na sa wadag butter, no? Kaya ito na yung butang sa ref. Then naa siya hash brown. Corn beef hash pala. And unsa pa gipalit ni Afam? Napo siya gipalit. So nagpalit siya kuan ni siya. Sausage bun.
Hotdog bun.
Yes. Sausage para sa ba. Okay, then this is the good one. Pork chop. And of course, honey bot oh la la, bacon. Is this bacon? Yes, bacon. It's bacon. 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 And what else, honey gods? Let's do, baby. And this is my favorite sausage. Ayan, this is my favorite sausage. This is yummy. Ayan, this is sausage that we always like bring every time we go to the camping. Yeah, ito, sausage. And this is the big sausage.
Got a good price on that one.
Yeah, big sausage. This is yummy. Italian sausage.
Yeah. Horse Tintin.
Yeah. And of course, what else? So, mayroon akong kamote. Kamote, dalawa. Binilhan niya ako. Kamote.
Supposed to be two of them.
Yeah. Kamote, binilhan
Is
ako.
that good?
Yeah. This
Did
is
I pick
good.
good ones?
Yeah. Ito yung pinabili ko ni Honey. Kasi bago siya nag-grocery, tumawag siya kung ano yung gusto ko. So, kamote, binilhan niya ako. And I always love this one, the saging. The saging. This is the saging. Honey always bought for me this one, saging. So I steam this one with the sweet potato. That's
You
all.
can put in your steamer.
Yeah. This is all my favorite. Ayan, saging and kamote. And what else? There's more. And Honey bought Cafe. Honey, why is different colors? Purple, blue.
I don't know.
French toast coffee, yes. And of course, we got gatas.
Oh, I didn't get the Crunchy Raisin brand.
I got the gatas, no? Gatas. Huh?
Do we have any Crunchy Raisin
Yeah,
brand left?
still have there.
Okay.
Gatas, we have gatas.
I really love that one, the Crunchy Raisin.
Yeah, very yummy. So now, Honey got Yapples or apple. Ito yung pinakamasarap, yung maliliit. Ito yung gusto ko.
Yeah, I have a Lupot.
Yeah, that's your So this is for today's shopping or groceries. Ayan, pag-uwi ni Honey, pagkatapos nagtrabaho, bumili siya at pupunta sa grocery store. So, ayan, meron na naman tayong ice cream. Anytime pwede tayo Magnum. Ito yung chocolate. Ayan, thank you for watching mga higala. Bye, thank you.